It happens a lot of time when you're expecting this date as to be 6th of March 2025, but when you open up your Excel, this date turns out to be 3rd of June 2025. Hi, my name is 𝐍𝐚 and in this video I am going to show you 3 cases. What if the date format of your data source is the same of your machine's regional settings date format? What if you have changed your regional settings date format afterwards? And the most critical part, what if the date format of your data source is not the same of your computer's regional settings date format? In this video, I am also going to show you how you can handle your data source date format through Power Query so that the regional settings won't matter anymore. So let's get started. Let's look at my regional setting. It is English United Kingdom. Now let's look at the order date. If you select the first one, you can see that it has picked the right data type for this value. Similarly for the second one and the third one. The first one is 21st October of 2025. The second one is 6th of March 2025. And the third one is 7th of April 2025. Now let's open up a new Excel workbook and import this CSV file into Power Query Editor. In this new Excel file, go to Data and click on From Text or CSV. Now let's load this CSV file into Power Query Editor. Double click on the data source. Click on the Transform Data. It will launch the Power Query Editor. If you see at the right hand side that it has generated 3 steps: source, promoted headers and change type. Now if you want to know whether Power Query picked the right date, select the order date, go to Add Column, click on Date, go to Month and click on Name of Month. You can see that it has picked the right month name. Now let's generate the day also. Go to Date, go to Day and click on Day. Now go to Home, Close and Load to, Table, Existing Worksheet, click OK. You can see the first date is 21st October, the second date is 6th of March and the third date is 7th of April. Everything is perfect because the date format of my data source and the date format of my machine's regional settings are the same. And this is the perfect case scenario. Now look at the order date. It is in day/month/year format. Now if I change my regional settings again to English United States, you can see the date format has been changed. Now it is month/day/year. The date format in the order date has been changed. But if you look carefully, it has picked the correct month name and day from the order date column. Why this happened? Because Excel previously recognized the date in my data source. So changing the regional settings only changed the date format, but the underlying serial number of date is the same. Now let's dive into the most critical step, and this tutorial is all about the step number 3. Now I will not change the date format in my regional settings. It is English United States. Now if you look at my data source in the order date, the first value is left aligned but the second and third value is right aligned. That means Excel is unable to pick the right data type for the first value, but it has picked the right data type for the second and third value. But we are not sure whether it has recognized the right month name and day from the data. In order to find out, we will open a new Excel file and import this CSV file into the Power Query Editor. Now in the new Excel file, go to Data, click on From Text or CSV. Let's load this CSV file into Power Query Editor. Click on Transform Data. Now if you look at the right hand side, it has generated only 2 steps, but it was unable to pick the right data type. So we will delete the last step. Go to Transform, use first row as header. Now you can see it has again generated the change type step. Now we will delete this and we will click on the ABC icon and click on Date Data Type. Now you can see the first value turned out error, but the second and third value is OK. Now if you click on the white space of the error, you can see the value below. it is 21/10/2025. And if you see the error that we couldn't parse the input provided as a date value because the date is in day/month/year format, but my regional settings is in month/year/day format. So Excel is treating 21 as a month, but the month starts from 1 and go till 12. That's why Excel failed to recognize the correct date and threw an error. Now we will add two more columns, month name and day. Select the order date, go to add column, click on date, go to month and click on name of month. Again click on the order date, go to date, go to day and click on day. Go to home, close and load to existing worksheet. OK. It hasn't loaded the first value because of the error, but it is treating the 6/3/2025 as 3rd June 2025, but previously it was 6th of March 2025, and it has picked the third value as 4th of July 2025, but previously it was 3rd June 2025. Now there is a built-in feature in Excel's Power Query to tackle this issue. Now it doesn't matter what regional settings you have, you will always get the correct date if you know how the date has been formatted while creating the source file. Now double click on the query, copy and paste the query below. We will name it as locale. Now delete the last 3 steps. Now we will click on the ABC icon and click on the using locale. Now from the data type select date, and from the locale select English United Kingdom because our data source is in day/month/year format. Click on OK. Now you can see the error has been solved. Now we will generate the month name and day to check whether it has picked the right month name and day. Select the order date, go to add column, click on date, go to month and click on name of month. Again select the order date, go to add column, click on date, go to day and click on day. Now go to home, close and load to. We will load this query side by side in the existing worksheet. We will load this into the E2 row. Click OK. And now you can see it has treated the first value as 21st October, the second value as 6th of March and the third value as 7th of April. Although there is a difference between the formats between the data source and the machine, Excel interpreted the date correctly because using locale option. So whenever you connect to an external data source, don't forget to use the locale option in the date column if it is there. Now I have a question to you that you decide to create a data source in the Excel file and you use that Excel file in the same workbook and use your Power Query to clean the data to make some reports and dashboards. Now my question is, do you still need to use the locale option in the Power Query? Do let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video so far, please give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so whenever I upload a video, you will get the notification. Thank you.